浓密烟雾夹杂火光不停烧向天际，另一个角度看更惊险，只见整片树林几乎已被大火吞噬，还顺着风向一路扩散燃烧。
Manitoba currently has the highest fire activity in all of Canada, with flames burning 198,000 hectares of land so far. That's almost 3 times the area that historically burns for an entire year, but in just 1 month.
加拿大曼尼托巴省由于炎热干燥加上强风影响，野火肆虐了整整2周，一直无法获得控制，情况甚至还渐趋恶化，连环火势有如世界末日。
There is a concern with the shift of northwest winds that all of these fires in this region may travel towards communities in the next 24 hours.
光是截至目前，曼尼托巴省内就有96处发生野火，其中18处仍然尚未扑灭。从卫星云图上还能清楚看到火光闪烁，浓烟甚至跟着风势往南飘向了美国明尼苏达州，引发空气品质警报。
This is a moment of fear and uncertainty. This is a moment of concern, but I want to tell you that your fellow Manitobans will welcome you. We will get through this difficult period.
目前全省已宣布进入紧急状态，同时紧急撤离至少1.7万人，而总理卡尼也同意派遣军队协助救灾，全力控制火势。新闻黄泉报道。